Le mwanchomolie ikinekio kigenderete asia magachamane ye bunge ye senate ase omochio Nairobi asabono aba senator bagenda togotegerera omusado yobeto kugwikibwa bosio bwabo bwochiko murusi abisi omo governor bwe county area ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza igo ni robot togenda tukubwati mwanchomolie abego ntuchikogotebia ekigenderete nabo igo eki abaseneta barachi gosokia buna lichibuliabo ndio mwelio nabo igo nyuranga oino mu women omo governor we county area ya Meru ogelete kwegerera kerengo boligwa amaswali mwancho muligeria na tugoska muntu nigo bono omwancho muligeria nigo bono Dorcas Oduor abeire Gotianigwa Koba Omonene moteneneri nabaigo Omonene Richiko asensi ya Kenya uyimanyekere na Attorney General Dorcas Oduor nigo bono Richiko musubati omutangani Koba omo Attorney General asensi ya Kenya nigatwenigwa nigo abeka Gotianigwa asa magacha manne ye State House asumucho Nairobi ase abarai ao kurwa ase bigambero baikirana elio kwenekia Ogotianigwa kwa Dorcas Oduor elio gochigosoa abisi orobatioro na okoronyora na senchira jebukirano
Dorcas Agik Odong Oduor, being appointed as the Attorney General of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Attorney General, that I will undertake to hold my office as the Attorney General with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the Republic affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not divulge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, and committed to my secrecy, except may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Attorney General, and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
I am very confident with your experience, being grown up from the ranks, and I think you become the first person to grow through the ranks at the Attorney General office and become the legal head of that institution. And therefore, I have no doubt in my mind that you have what it takes to get that office to appropriate its place in the service of the nation, and we will be working with you to make sure that people access justice on time and government gets legal representation to protect the greater interest of the people of Kenya. This appointment is not just about you being a woman. It is about you being competent. I am very confident that on account of competence and ability to deliver, you deserve to serve in this position.